In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Yahoo Customer Service Yahoo Help Center. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go for quick answers, how to recover a locked account, and how to reach live assistance if you are eligible. We'll keep this simple, clear, and safe, so you can solve issues without sharing sensitive information. First, start with self-service at the Yahoo Help Center. Open your browser and go to Help. Yahoo.com. This is the official hub for articles on password resets, account security, and common technical issues. Use the search bar at the top to describe your problem in a few words, things like reset password, can't sign in, or Yahoo Mail not loading. You'll see step-by-step guides with screenshots and troubleshooting tips. Explore the categories if you are not sure what to search for. Topics like sign-in and password, account security, and fix problems are especially useful. If you are able to sign in, do that on the help site to get recommendations tailored to your account and product. Always make sure you are on the official Yahoo site before entering any details and avoid third-party links that claim instant fixes. When you find a helpful article, consider bookmarking it so you can easily return if the issue comes back. If you are locked out of your account or you've forgotten your password, use the Yahoo Sign-In Helper. From the Help Center, search for Sign-In Helper, then follow the link to start recovery. Enter your Yahoo username or email address and follow the prompts to verify your identity. Depending on your settings, you may be asked to receive a verification code sent to a recovery email or phone, or to confirm using other verification methods you previously set up. Don't share codes with anyone and enter them only on Yahoo's official pages. If you don't have access to your recovery options, continue through the on-screen steps. The helper will guide you through the available paths. For additional assistance, Yahoo offers paid premium support. Details on eligibility and any associated fees are available through the Help Center. If you qualify for live chat, look for the chat icon on the Yahoo Help homepage. Click it, confirm your product or issue, and connect with an agent. Have a brief description of your problem ready, and avoid sharing sensitive data. Agents will never ask for your password. Finally, for public support updates, you can follow the official @Yahoo Care account on X, formerly Twitter. It's great for service notices and guidance, but don't post personal information there. That's it. Use the Help Center, the Sign-In Helper, premium support if eligible, and @Yahoo Care for updates. Thanks for watching.